Sanatan Dharma, often referred to as Hinduism, encompasses a rich tapestry of philosophical and ethical principles that can profoundly influence modern business practices. At its very core, Sanatan Dharma emphasizes righteousness, dharma, the law of cause and effect, karma, truthfulness, satya, and non-violence, ahimsa. These principles not only guide individual conduct but also provide a framework for ethical decision making in business. This is your host, Raj Sukheja from So True Business at YouTube. This particular narrative will change you and enable you to research deeper into the Sanatan learnings. There is so much here to offer, including business strategies that are forever. If you don't believe me, see the video until its conclusion. If you like the video, subscribe, share, and like it so that we keep coming up with unique business videos regularly. Help us grow and we will reciprocate. Let's talk about Dharma, the foundation of ethical business. Dharma, meaning righteousness or duty, serves as the cornerstone of ethical conduct in Sanatan Dharma. In the context of business, it encourages leaders and organizations to prioritize moral values alongside profitability. This entails making decisions that are not only beneficial for the company but also for employees, customers, and society at large. For instance, a dharmic approach to business would be to advocate fair labor practices, environmental sustainability, and community engagement, ensuring that corporate actions contribute positively to the world. If most corporations followed this practice, how beautiful this world would be. 2. Karma, understanding consequences. The principle of karma emphasizes that every action has consequences. In business, this translates to the idea that ethical behavior leads to positive outcomes, while unethical actions can result in negative repercussions. Companies that engage in deceitful practices may experience short-term gains, but are likely to suffer long-term damage to their reputation and trustworthiness. By adopting a karma-conscious approach, businesses can foster a culture of accountability and integrity, which ultimately enhances their sustainability and success. Keep in mind, every action has consequences, and so does every inaction. Sometimes not doing anything towards a particular solution can have benefits, but it also can have detrimental effects. So you need to understand the consequences of your action and non-action as well, and then make a decision. Ahimsa, promoting non-violence. Ahimsa or non-violence extends beyond physical harm to encompass ethical treatment in all aspects of business operations. This principle encourages businesses to avoid causing harm to individuals, communities, and the environment. For example, companies can implement policies that support fair trade practices, reduce waste through sustainable production methods, and ensure safe working conditions for employees. By embedding ahimsa into their corporate ethos, businesses can cultivate trust and loyalty among consumers who value ethical practices. Satya. Satya underscores the significance of honesty and transparency in business dealings. In an era where misinformation can easily spread, adhering to truthfulness is crucial for maintaining credibility and fostering strong relationships with stakeholders. Businesses that prioritize Satya are more likely to build long-lasting partnerships with customers and suppliers based on trust and mutual respect. This commitment to truth not only enhances brand reputation but also aligns with customer expectations for ethical behavior. Integrating dharmic principles into business strategy. To effectively integrate these teachings into modern business practices, organizations can adapt several strategies. Ethical leadership. Leaders should embody dharmic principles in their decision-making processes, promoting a culture of integrity within the organizations. CSR, that is corporate social responsibility. Companies can develop CSR initiatives that reflect their commitment to Dharma by addressing social issues such as poverty alleviation, education, and environmental conservation. Sustainable practices. Emphasizing eco-friendly materials and processes aligns with both ahimsa and dharma, demonstrating a commitment to responsible stewardship of resources. Employee engagement. Encouraging employees to participate in community service or sustainability initiatives can foster a sense of purpose and align individual actions with organizational values. Conclusion. The teachings of Sanatana Dharma offer profound insights into ethical business practices that prioritize morality over mere profit maximization. By embracing the principles of Dharma, Karma, Ahimsa, and Satya, businesses can cultivate an environment that not only drives financial success but also contributes positively to society and the environment. This holistic approach ensures that modern enterprises remain grounded in timeless wisdom while navigating the complexity of today's global marketplace. I hope you enjoyed today's video and will give it the likes that it deserves. And until we meet again, this is your host, Raj Sukheja, signing off.